Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you exactly how to back up the iPhone to external hard drive. Connect your iPhone to your Mac. Use a USB or lightning cable that came with your iPhone to connect it to a free USB port on your Mac. Open a new Finder window on your Mac. In the Finder sidebar, under Locations, select your iPhone. After that, in the General tab, look for the Backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac section. Then select the option of Manage Backups. Hold the Control key and click your backup. This will display a context menu for the backup file you clicked. After that, click on the Show in Folders button. This will open the Finder window at the location of your iPhone backup file. Then right-click on your iPhone device name given here. From the menu that appears, select the option of Copy. After that, go to the external hard drive where you want to save to back up the data. Here, open your desired folder and right-click to paste your data. The backup process may take some time, depending on the amount of data on your iPhone. Once the backup is complete, you can check the backup details in the Finder preferences. By following these steps, you'll have a backup of your iPhone on your Mac, which can be crucial in case you need to restore your device or transfer data to a new iPhone. Safely inject the external hard drive from your Mac. You can repeat the process to update your iPhone backups on the external hard drive, ensuring you have the latest data. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.